All right, good morning. I want us to look at how to effectively use the risk calculator tool. All right, so without further ado, the risk calculator tool is found on or at this risk calculator section under the resource area. Okay, so when you go to the resource area, you go to risk calculator, and this is what it's all about. So let's click on it. All right, so when you click on it, it will bring you to this position size zone or calculator. All right, what we use this thing basically for is to help us calculate the actual lot size based on our risk and our stop loss. Okay, so here you just select the currency pair that you trade in. Let's say this morning we had GBP and ZD. Okay, so we had GBP and ZD this morning. Okay, then the account currency should be the currency that your account is being dominated in, or sorry, denoted in. Let's say if yours is euro, you select euro. If yours is dollar, you select dollar. If yours is card, you select card. So mine is dollar. Your account size. Okay, so let's say your account size is, let's say, 100,000, 50,000, 10,000. Okay, so let's use 50,000 for example. 50,000 as the account size. The risk ratio, I normally advise using 1% risk maximum, or you can go in for 0.5. Any of them is acceptable. Okay, go in for 0.5 like this, but I normally go in for 1% risk. All right, I normally go in for 1% risk, and my stop loss is, let's say, 15 pips. Okay, the trade size, maintain the one. All right, maintain the one. So we have our currency pair, our currency, our account currency, our account size, the risk ratio, the stop loss in pips. Okay, because when you go to the trade talk area, we had our stop loss being 15 pips. Okay, 15 pips from this particular entry. Okay, so you input 15 pips and it will give you, when you click on calculate, it will give you the exact lot size you are supposed to use. Okay, so on the $50,000 account, you are risking 1%, and 1% of 50,000 is $500. Okay, so for us to lose $500, if the trade goes against us 15 pips, we have to use 4.9 lot size. Okay, so the money in dollar is 500. The unit is 489,627 units, or worth of currency in unit, and that is the lot size you're supposed to use. Okay, so you go to your trading platform, whether MetaTrader or MT5, and then you input your sell limit, you enter your entry price, you use 4.9 lot size, you enter your stop losses, and then that's all. Let's see how Euro USD own will be like. So let's say we are trading Euro USD, the same amount, the same risk, and the same lot size. Sorry, the same um, stop loss. When I click on calculate, it is going to give you 3.33 lot size. You see, on the GBP NZD, we had 4.9, but on the Euro USD, we're having 3.33 lot size. Reason being that the pip value for Euro USD is relatively larger than that of GBP NZD. Okay, so always try your possible best to use the position calculator to get the actual lot size you're supposed to use, rather than using any lot size at all. All right, so that's what I wanted us to look at this morning. Thank you for your time.